So you've probably seen the ads for main hair removal spray. No shaving, no waxing, just spray and wipe your hair away. Sounds super convenient. Does it actually work or is it just another overhead product great with marketing? And quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking how I do this research myself, so I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. The main hair removal spray is sold as a fast, painless alternative to shaving. According to their website, it works on all hair types. It's safe for sensitive skin and gives you smooth results in minutes. The branding looks clean and trendy, and the product page is full of before and afters and glowing claims. But here's the catch. There aren't many legit third-party reviews or independent test results. Most of what you'll find are influencer shoutouts or ads that feel like a little too polished. Also, no detailed ingredient list is available directly on the product page, which is kind of a red flag when you're spraying something on your skin. So, is main hair removal spray legit? Maybe. It's a real product and it might work for some people with finer hair or on less sensitive areas. But with no in-depth reviews, vague ingredients, and no clear info about how it stacks up to better known brands, it feels a bit risky, especially for a $20. If you're curious and don't mind testing it out, go for it. But manage your expectations and definitely do a patch test first. Tried main hair removal spray? Was it magic or just meh? Drop your experience in the comments, and if you like honest takes on trending products, hit the like and subscribe. More reviews coming your way soon.